It's hard to beat the taste of a rich and creamy cheesecake. They have become one of the most popular desserts, thanks to the several amazing variations that are made. This delicious condensed milk cheesecake using a simple recipe is so easy and tasty to make you'll want to share it with everyone you know. Making cheesecake can be a trying process, however, this recipe is simple and requires no previous baking experience. It's a delicious take on a classic cheesecake that will leave your taste buds happy. This is a recipe you'll want to keep handy when making desserts for any special occasion. What is condensed milk? Condensed milk is milk that has had the water removed from it by using heat. Removing the water allows for a more concentrated milk taste. The condensed milk then has sugar added to it, expanding its shelf life for over a year. Though condensed milk would not taste good if you drink it from a can, it can taste amazing when added into recipes. It has a rich and creamy texture, which allows for it to create some amazing desserts. Condensed milk is often used in ice cream, pies, cheesecakes, and puddings. It adds a sweet taste and smooth consistency to desserts. Condensed milk is often sold as sweetened condensed milk. Though there is unsweetened condensed milk, it is commonly referred to as evaporated milk. Sweetened condensed milk and evaporated milk are two different things, and they are not meant to be interchangeable. Though you can make your own sweetened condensed milk at home, most people choose to buy their own. Canned sweetened condensed milk bought from stores is easy to incorporate into recipes and can be kept for longer than homemade. What you will need to make this no-bake condensed milk cheesecake. Ingredients: 2 packages of graham crackers, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 14 ounces sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 11 tablespoons butter, melted, 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese, room temperature, 1/4 cup fresh lemon juice. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Put the graham crackers in a large resealable plastic bag and use a rolling pin to crush them to fine crumbs. Step 2. In a medium bowl, add the graham cracker crumbs. Stir in the sugar and then add the melted butter. Combine until fully mixed. Step 3. Press the graham cracker mix into the springform pan. Spread it 1.5 to 2 inches up the side. Chill the crust in the freezer for at least 10 minutes. Step 4. In a large bowl, beat the cream cheese at medium-high speed until smooth with an electric mixer. Beat in the condensed milk, adding a small amount at a time and scraping the sides with a rubber spatula as needed. Beat in the lemon juice and vanilla. Step 5. Pour the cheesecake filling into the crust, smoothing the top with a rubber spatula. Cover the cheesecake with plastic wrap and place it in the fridge for 2.5 to 3 hours. Unclasp sides of cheesecake pan and serve chilled. This rich and creamy cheesecake will turn out beautiful. Be sure to leave it in the fridge long enough to allow it to set up. Tips and tricks. To save time, you can use a store-bought crust or make your crust ahead of time and freeze it. You may also use a chocolate cookie-based crust too, as it pairs nicely with the cheesecake. This cheesecake also tastes great with fruit. You can add fresh strawberries or raspberries to give it extra flavor. Adding a strawberry or raspberry sauce will also take this cheesecake to the next level, making it even harder to resist. If you're a chocolate lover, adding some chocolate chips or chocolate sauce will help dress up this cheesecake. This cheesecake is a great base for adding your favorite toppings. This cheesecake should be stored in the fridge. It can be stored wrapped in plastic wrap or a cake container for up to 5 days in the fridge. You can also store it in the freezer for up to 3 months. Tightly wrap the cheesecake in aluminum foil before placing it in the freezer. Thaw it in the refrigerator for 8 hours before serving. Make sure to allow the cream cheese to reach room temperature before adding it to the cheesecake. Set the cream cheese out for 30 minutes before making it. If the cream cheese is too cold, the cheesecake will not reach the proper consistency. Make sure when beating the cream cheese, you get all of the bumps out. This will allow for a smoother and creamier cheesecake. It may take more than 3 hours for your cheesecake to be fully set up. To test to see if the cheesecake is fully set, give it a slight jiggle. If only a small circle in the center jiggles, then the cheesecake is fully set. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.